Good morning, all of you. Today, I'll be telling you how to conduct an online class where you have two sections together. Like, for example, if I take my case, suppose I teach class 7th A and B together, then how do I conduct an online class? Right, the everything A to Z I'll be telling you. Right, so for that, what I'll do is I'll open up Microsoft Teams. I have clicked Microsoft Teams. I'll just wait. Yeah, it is opening up. I'll just wait till Microsoft Teams gets loaded, because initially it takes a little time to start. Okay, it has started. Now by default it has gone into my account. How do I check my account? On the top I click here and see whether it is my account. Yes, it is my account. It says Rajkumar Pal. Okay, then what I do is I go to Teams. Okay, in the Teams, as I have told you, suppose I need to take a class for 7th A and B together. So I create a team. Okay, I create a team. I say create team class. I say 7th A and B, 7th AB. Okay, then what do? I say next. Now here there is a possibility that I add the students one by one. So since 7th A has around 45 students, 7th B has around 50 students, so around 95 students adding one by one, it might be a difficult process. You may go ahead with this, but there is another way to add students. For teachers, you need to add it as per the timetable. You can add the teachers. Suppose I say Archita, I add Archita madam, and then I don't remember. Suppose I say Shalu madam. Okay, I'm doing it randomly, right? Then suppose I say Kriti madam for English. Okay, Kriti Mahapatra. Okay, I got it. In this way you can add the teachers who takes 7th AB together. Once you have done with this, I say add. So you need to add the teachers, right? Once it is done, I say close. Now 7th AB is a team. Now what you need to do is, from here you will find, even if you go back, you will find all the teams. Here you will find 7th AB somewhere, you will find 7th AB. This is 7th AB. Okay, I click here 7th AB. I come here and then I click on the triple dots and I say manage team. Okay, after I do manage team, see, these are the teachers. Now members and guests, there are no one here, because the students, here the students list will get generated, but students are not added. For that, what I'll do is I'll go to settings. Okay, and then I go to team code, and then I generate, click on generate. A team code gets generated. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll copy this. See, there is a option called copy. I copy it. Okay, done. Now what I do is I go to my WhatsApp. Okay, I go to my WhatsApp. Now in the WhatsApp I might visit my WhatsApp, or you can copy down the code and then send this code to 7th A class in WhatsApp and 7th B class in WhatsApp. Okay, now what they need to do is they will get into their Teams app, and then obviously I am not going to the WhatsApp. You can go, means anywhere. Suppose I want to send someone, what I'll do is I'll go to that person, and here I do a control V. This is the code. Okay, then I can mention, I can write down that children, please add to add yourself in the team 7th AB. Okay, in 7th A class WhatsApp group as well as 7th B class WhatsApp group. Got it? This is the way it has to be done. Now what the children needs to do is, children again, they will get into their Teams app. Okay, then what they will do is they will, this will be their first screen in Teams. Okay, they cannot see so many teams. They will obviously, they can see 7th AB. Sorry, they will not be able to see anything here. What they need to do is simply they will click here. The students, they will click here and then join a team with a code here. Here they will write down that code. Okay, they will write down that code, the one which has been sent to their WhatsApp, and say join. So if the children independently 7th A and 7th B, they do this task, so automatically when after some time, when the students have done, you again open up your Teams and you will go to 7th AB U, and then you go to manage team. Here you will find, here this place you will find the complete students in your list. Once this is done, then it is very simple, the way I did in my last video, to schedule a meeting, which you already know. Through the calendar you have to schedule it. Once the meeting is scheduled, automatically the students they will get notification in the Teams in 7th AB. The meeting join link will be available in the Teams app for the students. You don't need to send them individually the join link. That is not required. Automatically the students will have the link in the 7th AB team to join the class, join the meeting. Okay, so thank you very much. This is what I thought of telling you. Thank you.